Happy birthday to a special girl. Dear Julia, wishing you a birthday as wonderful as you are. Love, Aunt Judy and Uncle Ron.
Aww.
We love you. Oh, isn't that nice? Here you go.
Julia, who's this from, Julia? Did you say Uncle Ron?
There's a lot of wrapping paper, huh? Here, try tearing it from the end.
I see something purple.
What is it?
Oh.
No, let her do it. Oh, look how cute this sweater is. Oh, it's a purse. It's a penguin purse.
Oh, what do you think? What do you say?
Oh, and a pretty crown. What do you say to Aunt Judy? Tell on the camera, right here. Say thank you.
Say thank you, Aunt Judy and Uncle Ron.
Look, you have a little zipper you can put your